We are going to be learning 12 stitches in this hand sewing series. So we're going to prep all the fabric we need for the 12 stitches, so that every day or every other day when we come, we just pick the fabric and we learn. So I showed you my fabric before, my muslin, and I have some already pre-cut. We're going to be ironing our fabrics first because it's very essential to iron your fabric. You don't want to start your fabric looking like this. It can give you measurements that are not correct. You can end up cutting something and then, you know, by the time you want to join it together, it's not aligning. Look at this place we just ironed. See how smooth it is to work with now. And look at this place that we've not ironed. If we take a measurement here, most likely we will not get the accurate measurement. Why? There are creases and this is not going to give us an accurate measurement. You can use your hand sometimes if you don't have iron, if it works. But most importantly, you want to iron before you use. I am going to be using this. This is 8 by 7, but what we need for this project is 7 by 4. So what I am going to be doing is cutting this into half. But if you don't have like small fabrics like this, like I do, what you need to do is just create a template for yourself to make it very easy. Just create a template of 7 by 4, 7 by 4, and then all you would need to do is just mark up. You just mark up your 4. You just mark up your fabric. This is just an example. I'm not cutting this out. I'm going to cut the other one out. Seven inches by 4 inches, and then you cut out. So you cut this out into 50 places. So you can combine your fabric together, like fold it up before you cut, so you can cut multiple at the same time. But if you don't know how to cut before, or you're not confident, just cut this out one by one. I mean, it's gonna take longer than 10 minutes, but yeah, you can do that over the course of a couple of days. So what I am going to do, because I already have my template, like I said, what I am going to just do is I'll show you. I'll take one out, just give it a press, give it a quick press. All my working tools, they're right in front of me and I am loving it. So I will take my pinking shears, and what I will do is I'm going to press that. So I'm going to use my measuring tape to just confirm that this is the 4. So you can see this is the 4. And what I am going to do is just take this up, align this together, just make sure they're aligned, and I am going to cut this with my pinking shears. And I'm going to show you something afterwards. Just gonna make sure they're all aligned. My pinking shears is not as sharp as it used to be before. That's sad, because I'm not planning to buy anyone anytime soon. But it's okay, it still does the work. So you can see, just gonna give that a press. Yep. You can see the difference between this side that I cut with my pinking shears, which is this, and this one that I cut, this side that I cut with my regular fabric scissors, which is this. This is not going to fray as much as this is going to fray. So that is why it's very handy to have your pinking shears. This is 1 and 2. We are going to need 50 of this. So I already started to cut mine, and that's why I said 10 minutes every day, you would go a very long way. So I don't know how many I have here yet, but I am sure I have gone a long way than when I came. So what I am going to do is just complete the rest now. I might not be able to complete it today, but by the time any 10 minutes I get, I will try to go through it. So that is what we are doing today anyway. You can go ahead and prepare your own fabric as well. You can use your scissors as well. What you do is just mark up the same way I showed you. So I am going to mark up 4, 4, I am going to rule, and then I'm going to make a cut. We still get the same result, 7 by 4. So this is all of mine. I think we have done a good job. I am now going to count how many I have altogether. This is 34 altogether, and the progress is good for me. I'm going to find another 10 minutes and complete it to make it 50. So do your own as well, and send me a picture of how far you've gone, so that we can share our progress and we can all be accountable, learn together and grow together.